Yes.
ठीक है, चलो, that's good. And basically I have written some steps to draw the ray diagram initially, right? So in the coming classes we have to draw a lot of ray diagrams, right? So I'll be giving a basic thing. No fancy words, no fancy ray diagram, something like that, nothing. Only two rays are enough to draw the ray diagram, and that's what we will follow throughout the chapter, either mirror or lens. Clear, Umair and Rayan and Sophia?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ठीक है, that's good. Okay. Well, I've renamed you because I was reading your name as Rukaiya. I think that was your mother name.
It's the same, sir.
हाँ, चलो, no worries, कोई बात नहीं, I've just renamed it. ठीक है. Okay, so Rayan and Safia are basically are my previous student, and everyone. Umair is a new student who has joined 10th standard at Learnivio. ठीक है, and he will be your batchmate throughout the year. ठीक है, चलो, start the session then.
Yes.
चलो, ठीक है. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay, so now let's do some numericals based on that. ठीक है, so give me a moment. Just give me a second. Let me write the questions. Is placed 1 centimeter in. So let's do this question, everyone. So I'm pasting the questions over here. Okay. So this question is saying that, okay, let's discuss it. This question is saying that an object is placed 20 centimeter in front of a plane mirror. Okay, the mirror is moved 2 centimeter towards the object. The distance between the position of the original and the final image is what? Okay, let's discuss that. Suppose, okay, so let me just explain it to you. Okay, so suppose that over here, so this is your plane mirror. Okay. An object is placed in front of the. Okay, so basically these two are the cases. Top is lagging a lot right now. So okay, so in this case, as you can see, so in this case, the object distance between the body and the plane mirror is 20 meter, right? 20 centimeter. So over here, this is the distance between the body is 20 centimeter, right? And the image will be formed exactly 20 centimeter behind the mirror. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it would be like this. So not still. So if you draw that, so it would be 20 centimeter, it would be 20 centimeter. So this was the initial case, right? But after the 2 meter distance is reduced, 2 centimeter distance is reduced, now it is 18 centimeter, right? So the image formed will also be on the same side, on the other side at the 18 centimeter, yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, this comes out to be. So could you please tell me the difference between the original image and the final image, how much it has moved?
4 centimeter.
Okay, 4 centimeter by Safia. What about Umair and Rayan?
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. Yeah, that's 4 centimeter. Because as you can see, the 2 centimeter is reduced from both the sides. So difference would be 2 centimeter. Is that clear? 4 centimeter. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So over here, the total between positions final images is equals to. Is that clear to both of you? All of you, I mean, Rayan, Safia, and Umair?
Yes.
Sure, check, that's great. That's great. Give me a second. Pasting one more question. Okay, try to solve this one. Everyone, please try to solve this one. Let me know the answer in the chat, okay? Clear, all of you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
After this class, we'll be having an assessment based on the plane mirror, okay? So please go and check out the assessment after this class, okay, everyone? Okay, Amar, okay. Safia, answer. Safia, answer. Did you solve it?
Sir, I'm doing.
ठीक है, जल्दी करो. और रैयान, कैसे चल रही है रमजान की ईद की तैयारी?
और
वापस आ रहे हो इंडिया या फिर वहीं पे ही सऊदी में रहेगी ईद?
सऊदी
सऊदी
इन समर वेकेशन
कब आओगे फिर इंडिया?
इन समर वेकेशन
बहुत स्लो वॉइस आ रही है, बहुत ज्यादा लो वॉइस आ रही है.
इन समर वेकेशन
समर्स में, अच्छा ठीक है. ओके ठीक है, यस ठीक है, बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. सो सिंपल सी बात है. So the question is saying that a man is standing 10 meter from the plane mirror. So what is the distance between the man and the image? So 2.5 and 2.5. So he should move at least 7.5 meter so that the distance between the body and his image should be 5 meter. ठीक है? So एक diagram जल्द से draw करके मैं दिखा देता हूँ, and after that we'll discuss the new topic over here. ठीक है, इसको सेव करिए। So man is standing in front of this mirror that is 10 meters. The image formed would be on the both sides. That is also 10 meter. Okay. So the man should move to 7.5 meters so that the distance between the object and the body of the man is, sorry, image is 5 meters. Okay. It would be like this. Clear all of you? So it would be, so the distance over here is 20. For 10 meter. So over here, 20 meter is the distance between the man and his image, right? Over here, so it would be 2.5 and 2.5 will be equals to 5.5. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Distance covered by the man should be is that clear?
Yes, sir.
चलो बढ़िया. So I think इसमें इससे ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं करने के लिए. ज्यादातर क्वेश्चन हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. ठीक है. So अच्छा, एक टॉपिक और कर लेते हैं. So if suppose that two mirrors are placed at some angle, okay? Suppose that you have taken two mirrors, right? And they are suppose placed like this, okay? So one is this, another one is, another one is this, okay? Like this. So कुछ इस टाइप से रखे हैं. So over here, this is the angle. So everyone, if I basically place any object over here, so there would be some image, right? So in this, we are going to find out that how many images are formed by that, by basically with such combinations. Okay, because there would be multiple images, right? One mirror is there, one mirror is there, right? So there would be multiple images. So let's find it out over here. That is your number of max images formed by two plane. So in that case, the formula is number of images equal to 360 by theta minus 1. What is theta? Basically the angle between the two plane mirrors. Okay, it would be like this. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, let's do
Yes,
one
sir.
question based on that. Calculate. Okay, everyone. So please do this question. And let me know the answer in the chat. Then everyone, check it. Okay, Omer. Okay, yeah, that's 5 because 360 by 60 would be 6 minus 1 that would be 5. Very good. Is that clear, all of you? Okay. So with this, we have completed the image formation by the plane mirror. Okay. So there, everything is clear so far to all of you. Let me know once.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, theek hai, badhiya. Now let's do the next topic, that is the image formation by the spherical mirrors. Okay. So in spherical mirrors, this is the most important topic, as you can see, in terms of the ray diagrams and the types of questions that come from this topic, right? It could be, so mirror formula is based on this topic, the ray diagrams, multiple ray diagrams, around 6 to 8 ray diagrams are there in the single topic itself, right? And the application based questions are there, like what is the use of concave mirror, what is the use of convex lens. So there would be some different questions like this in case study as well, that in this scenario, this mirror is used. What is the nature of the mirror? What type of image is formed? Real, virtual, diminished, magnified. So there are multiple possibilities that we will be discussing in this class. Okay, everyone? Clear, all of you? Okay. So now let's discuss it. Discuss with the first one, that is your concave mirror, because concave mirror have multiple, you can say cases. Okay. So let's talk about the A part. Sorry, not A, first part. Concave mirror. Okay. So if we discuss the concave mirror portion over here, let me paste the type of mirror it is. Yeah. So 3, 6, 7. So this is the mirror. Okay. So let's discuss the properties of concave mirror first of all. Okay, everyone. So concave mirror is called basically converging mirror as well. What do you mean by converging? That means it converges, it directs all the ray at a single point. That is your focus. Okay. So we'll discuss the focus and all the scenarios in the coming portion. Is that clear to you so far? Achha, let's discuss the sign convention first. It seems like, just give me a second. Just let me discuss first the lens part first. So before that, check it. So let me explain it on the diagram itself. What is focus and what is all the things. Okay. So, yeah. So everyone, this is a concave mirror, right? So if we talk about the different points on the different things of the mirror, that is your. So this is what your, this point is called as pole. That is denoted by P. Okay. And the point at which all the parallel light rays intersect, when the light rays coming from the infinity, so they intersect at a single point. That point is called focus, and this basically focus lies on this point over here. Okay, over here. Is that clear? And the center of curvature means the radius. Center of curvature is basically the radius of the mirror. That means suppose that if you complete this spherical mirror, this point will lie at the center. So from this point, from the distance of this point to this point will be nothing but your R, radius of the spherical mirror. Is that clear to all of you? This is your. So R is equals to 2F. So if you so basically F is placed at the halfway of the radius of the curvature. Is that clear, all of you? And this thing is valid for convex mirror as well. Okay? Clear, all of you? Umair, Rayyan, Safia. It seems like Rayyan is completely frozen. What happened, Rayyan? Network issue, hai kya? Clear, hai?
Think so?
Is that clear? Whatever I've explained so far in this. Okay? That's great. So now let's discuss it. So what do you mean by converging? So when the light rays coming from the infinity, it will basically direct all the light rays to this point. Parallel light rays. So that's why it is called converging. Okay? Converging. Because parallel light rays at focus. Okay. We talk about the B part of the concave mirror, the lens, basically the focal length of a concave mirror will always be negative. I'll explain the sign convention as well. Okay. In the mirror formula, we'll discuss the sign convention. We are not discussing the sign convention right now because we'll get confused in that. So, okay. So once this chapter topic will be done, we'll discuss the sign convention before the mirror formula. Okay. So that's just remember this thing that the concave mirror has a negative focal length. Okay. So you will get to know that which one will be positive, which one will be negative in the coming topic. That is the next class. Okay, is that clear? So concave,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Negative focal length. Okay. C part is concave mirror always produces real and virtual images. So Rayan, do you know what is real and virtual image?
Yes.
Okay. Sure. When the rays actually meet, it is called real image. When the rays appears to meet, it is called virtual image. Okay. So in simple words, remember this thing. Okay. So concave mirror always form the real and erect inverted images only in except in one case, it will form virtual and erect. Okay. So concave mirror okay. So except in one case, it will not form the virtual, sorry, real images. Okay. D is, so if we talk about the basic things like applications, what are the applications of the concave lens? So we'll discuss that in the coming portion. That is applications of concave lens itself, mirror itself. Okay. Now let's discuss about the image formation. Okay, everyone. So image formation of concave mirror. Okay. So let's talk about the case one by one. So the first case is at, so the first case is basically at infinity. So there are 6 cases. We are going to discuss it one by one. Okay. And the object is at infinity. The object is at infinity. The image formed over here. Let's just okay. So this is the concave mirror. So the line passing through is basically the and the object, suppose that okay, before that, suppose that object is placed. Okay, object is at infinity, so light ray coming. So before that, let me mark something. So this is your F. Okay. And this is your do some more for it. This is your F and this is your C. Okay. If it use that line. So when the light rays are parallel, okay, they will converge at focus. Yes or no, everyone? Like this. When the light rays are parallel, the concave mirror will converge the light rays at focus. Is that clear? Okay,
Yes.
simple. Another light ray that is also coming is parallel and it will converge at focus. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the image is formed at the focus. Okay, because the reflected or refracted light rays forms the image. So over here, the image formed, the reflected light rays intersection is at focus. So that's why the image is formed at focus. Is that clear? And as you can
Yes.
see, the image formed is very, very small. It's basically a dot shape image like this. Right. So that means the size of the image would be very small. That is called diminished. Okay. So let's discuss it. Object distance is u, that is at infinity. Okay. And v is the image distance, that is at focus. Okay. And if we talk about the nature of the image, what it is, so I've told you that nature of the image will be what real and inverted. Okay, because it always form real and inverted. Okay. And if we talk about the size would be highly diminished, means point size. Is that clear to both of all of you? Rayan, Safia, and Umair? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Check it. That's
No.
great. Yeah. Yeah. So now the object is at infinity. The next case would be the object will come towards the pole. Okay, just I forgot to mark the pole over here. So that would be a pole. Okay. This is your pole. And the next case would be now the object will come towards the pole. When the object was at infinity, now the object will beyond C. Object will be at beyond C. Beyond C. Yeah. So let me copy this thing. Paste it over here. Okay, so I'm gonna erase these things. Okay. Now the object is beyond C. This would be like this. Okay. Now the light ray, first light ray will always be parallel to principal axis, and where it will go? Follow? Where it will go, everyone? After the reflection? Focus. Yes, very good, Umar. Okay, it will go it will pass through the focus. Okay. Next light ray. So in the mirror case, what I'm going to do is that if I use you have two options. Either you pass the ray through the center of curvature. So in that case, you need a very bigger image, very bigger diagram to draw. So in that case, I'm going to use the alternative of it. I'm going to pass the ray through the pole, and the light ray will reflect back with the same angle. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in that case, just give me a second. Over here. So as you can see, the image, this is the reflected, these are the reflected rays. This is the point of intersection, right? And the point of intersection will give you the image, and the downward image would be inverted. So as you can see, image is smaller than the object. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in that case, let's discuss that. What is U over here? It would be sorry, B. Where the image is forming, everyone, could you please tell me?
Between C and F.
Between C and F. Very good. Money use for it. Okay. So between C and F. Okay. And as you can see, the real and inverted images form nature. Inverted. Okay. And size is diminished because it's smaller. So we'll say that it is diminished. Please do let me know when is that clear to you or not.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we talk about the next case, that is your C case at C. Now the object will be placed at C. Okay. So if I okay, the object is at C. So the first ray will always be parallel to principal axis, and this ray will pass through focus. Okay. So I'm gonna change the focus a little bit. So I'm gonna change the focus over here. Okay. And the next ray will pass through the, which basically strike the pole. And it will reflect with the same angle. That is your angle of reflection, which it is incidenting. Okay. In that case, the image formed would be is over here. Okay. Okay. 'Kay? 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 'K as you can see everyone, that the image formed is just at the same point over here. This is the image formed at center of curvature. So image formed would be at the center of curvature. This is your C. So let's discuss the properties. You would be at C. B is also at C. And nature of image. Is real and inverted. Size will be same size. Okay. Please do let me know everyone, is that clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So that's how we form the images from the concave mirror. Okay. So these are the three cases. Three cases are left. Okay. So just give me a second. Let's do the fourth one, and then after that we'll end the class because it's time right now that start time in India. So I'll just class the end by before 5 minutes. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, everyone. So ठीक है. So ठीक है, बाकी ऐसा करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में ही लेते हैं इसको बिकॉज वो बीच में रह जाएगा. तो बिकॉज राइट नाउ इट्स ऑलमोस्ट टाइम फॉर इफ्तार. ठीक है. So what we will do is that in the next class we'll continue from here itself. Okay, everyone. Umair, Yan, and Safia. Okay, and after that we will do the applications, and in the next class itself this image formation will get completed. Okay. In the next class the image formation will get completed. Only thing that okay, so reflection, so only mirror formula will be left in the reflection portion. Okay, so after in the coming 2 or 3 classes, the reflection portion will be done completely. It means that by the if you do not miss the classes for the Eid after the like basically you'll be having a break obviously, but after the once the class will start, if you do not miss those classes, so we can easily complete the reflection within 2 or 3 classes. Okay, so I think Eid. Do you know which idea here? When will be the Eid? Like 29 रोजे होंगे 30 रोजे होंगे कुछ idea अभी?
So
It
in
will be
India,
30.
Eid will be at 31st, first, I mean.
Acha, that means on Sunday you will be having Eid in Saudi and Dubai and like Middle East में.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
पक्का है?
Pakka.
अच्छा, वो सफेद तो बिल्कुल पक्का कह रहे हैं. सफेद like मैं चांद पहले से देख चुकी हूँ. हैं?
Yeah.
चलो कोई नहीं, ठीक है फिर अगर ऐसा है तो that's good. तो it means that 30 रोजे होंगे फिर 30 complete.
Yeah.
30 रोजे, चलो ठीक है.
Like we get
क्या?
30, we're gonna have
हाँ.
whole week holiday.
Yes sir, Omar, you are saying something?
We get on 30, we're gonna have whole week holiday. It's on 29th, we're gonna have